So welcome back to my channel. Tonight we're gonna be doing a drunk makeup tutorial because that's just how I'm feeling today. I've been drinking for a couple hours now. Actually, this is the end of the bottle of wine that I've been drinking by myself. I've been really stressed out lately. I'm being forced into tonight by my friends to go out. We're gonna see how well I put on makeup now. I don't even know what I want to start with. I really want to go get some nachos. Or like tostone nachos. Like they have this place, Salsa Fiesta, by my house. And it's so good. I think maybe I'll do the foundation first. I just started to break out. I'm like, what the hell? I usually break out like right before I get my period. This time I'm breaking out like right after. Ah! I had like, oh no, that actually is on my face. I forgot about my bindi. Let's do something fun and put some pretty makeup on our face. I've been getting a lot of makeup in the mail lately, so I'm gonna start out with my paint pot. I'm always with this paint pot. This is like the best thing ever, you guys. If you don't have this in your life, seriously get it. This is soft ochre, and especially if you're pale like me, because I have like all these veins on my eyelids that show. And this will cover it up, and this is like the perfect base for eyeshadow. It's like amazeballs. How cute is this palette though? This is the little like Katie. I don't know which side I want to use. I haven't even chosen what I'm gonna wear yet. Whatever, I don't care tonight. I'll just wear black. So I'm gonna take a little of my powder and just cover my eyelid in them. That way when I go to blend out those colors, they'll blend a lot easier. I've missed the drunk me. I used to go out drinking a lot. Like I live in Miami, I used to party and drink a lot. And drunk Gia is actually a lot of fun, I must say so. No, I think I want to go with this one. I don't know why, this is like calling to me. This green right here. I'm gonna put this green in the crease. It looks really pretty. So anxious. Meet me at 11:30. Love when you're talking dirty. Not so sure about this. What was I thinking? What was I thinking? I promise I can do this drunk, guys. I promise. I totally can. It's totally fine. Totally. Totally. So I'm just gonna coat my eyelid again with this because I want to do like the gold on my lid and I really want it to pop. I feel like I look so funny right now. I hope no guys I think are cute are watching this. When guys ask me for my YouTube, I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna take this. Oh my gosh, this gold color looks so pretty. Bitch. Look at how much fallout. These are like feminine wipes. They smell really good though. Like they smell so bomb. I think I got them from a dollar store. Dollar Tree. I know you guys know about Dollar Tree. It's thebomb.com. Especially if you're on YouTube. I see some of the things people make from the Dollar Tree and I'm like, yo, I'm going now. I really love this brush. This is a Morphe M440 and it's like angled. I'm just thinking about it. I'm like, maybe I should lay a little black down before I... Just in the corner there. Let's give it a little more. Don't let this turn into a sloppy tutorial. I'm looking at my eyes. I'm like, oh my God, Gio, what you doing? What are you doing? We're just gonna clean that up a bit. You guys don't hold it against me. I've been drinking. I've been drinking. I smoke. I drink. I'm supposed to stop, but... Okay, before I go in with anything else, I'm gonna do my eyeliner before I get more drunk. I feel like the foundation's the easiest part, so let's get the eyes taken care of before I'm super drunk and they turn out looking like shit. Looking at it like, Oh. 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 It's like that tonight? Oh. Oh. Wait, I guess we're going out hooker style on the wing. I'm like, what just happened right now? Why did I do that? I was not planning on that wing. It just kind of happened. This is why you should do your makeup before you get drunk. It's a good idea. Seriously, Gia, no. Oh God. Oh God. Good God. I cannot. Gia, I can, no. This is too much. With the eyeshadow, no, it's too much. Okay, it's still kind of a big wing, but much better than last time. Tonight is not the night for liquid liner, but I'm a G, can't let her get to me. But her voice sounds sweeter than a symphony. It looks so funny with that gap there. I look like, this is scary. Am I really gonna show this video to people? Oh, you guys, drunk makeup is not a good idea. It's so not a good idea. Like, what is that? What is that? Who the fuck do I think I am? Amy Winehouse? Well, I definitely won't be picking up guys tonight with this shit on my eyes. We're just gonna leave it. Whatever. I just wanna leave a little space. Work with what you got. Even though I look crazy. I look crazy. I wanna know why they grouped these colors together though. No. Why did I put so much eyeshadow on myself? Huh? Well, let me just highlight my brow. I feel like maybe if I highlight my brow, I'll feel a little bit better that like, no. Every time I look at it, I'm like, I don't think you're going out like this tonight. I don't think so. You guys, I have eyeshadow all the way up to my fucking eyebrow. What was I thinking? This is a disaster. This is a fucking disaster. I cannot go out like this. I'm about to finish the bottle of wine though. Wait, where are my lashes? I took them off last night. I look like such an asshole. And now I have eyeliner all over the top of my eye. This can be fixed. We just gotta take it off of that part of my eye. It's just up too high. I feel like it's just up too high. Like, doesn't that look a lot better than this side now? Oh God, you guys, drunk makeup is not the way to go. This is a disaster. Disaster zone. Whatever, that's just what it's gonna be tonight. You know what? I just need lashes. Why didn't I do this before I got drunk? I'm just gonna wear so much highlighter that nobody notices that my eyeshadow is fucked up. I'm gonna blind them with my highlight before they get to look at my eyes. And this liquid liner that I used is not, it's not black. I really want these nachos. They're so good. They're made with like tostones, like fried plantain, bananas. And then they have like shredded beef. and melted cheese and sour cream on them. Oh my god, they're so good. While I'm just chilling with some mascara on my eye like this, like, I'm a mess. You know what I hate about red wine? It makes your mouth ugly. Like, I usually drink it with a straw so it doesn't get on my lips, but it still makes your mouth ugly. Okay, it doesn't look as bad with a lash on, right? Does it look better? I don't know, I can't tell because I'm drunk. I would not wear my makeup like this otherwise, but you know what? I'm so drunk, I don't even wanna. I'm about to walk downstairs to the Salsa Fiesta and go get myself these nachos. This is what I'm using to wipe my face, by the way. These feminine wipes from the dollar store. Like, they smell so fucking bomb. Oh my god, I have to check the time. Salsa Fiesta closes at 11. Oh my god, it's 10:13. To be continued because I need my nachos. I didn't eat that much today. I'm happy now. I got my totones. Oh my gosh, I have more wine here. I just poured myself another drink too. Now I'm drinking some Nouveau. If you guys haven't tried Nouveau, look at it, it's pink. You gotta try it. It's so good. This is my roommate's brand, but everybody loves it. It's like really good. Look at my totones. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so happy. This is all I wanted. I FaceTime my girls and they're like, oh my god. They're like, Gia, you're drunk. You stepped halfway through your makeup to go get food. Yes, I did. The last time I went out because I was hungry and nobody fed me. And I swam today, I did my cardio. I'm hungry. Oh, you guys, look at. I have a natural highlight going on. Yes, huh? Okay, honey. And I'm eating on camera. Let me eat my food. And then let's finish the makeup as I get drunker. I might not even be able to go out tonight. I'm gonna be too drunk by the time they're ready to go out. I ate. I started watching TV. And now I'm so tired. Look at my eyes, they're so red. I really don't even feel like going out. I need foundation. What do I have out here? Oh my gosh, look at this. I was filming last night and I have some MAC Studio Fix fluid. The cap is off of. I don't want to finish my face. Can't it just be good like this? Like, isn't this enough? Hell no. Can't go out like this. Have me looking crazy. Have myself looking crazy. I'm gonna put on my all-nighter. They sent me a really pale color in this, but I actually do really like the formula. I think it's nice and high coverage. Full coverage. High coverage. It's full coverage. I'm not going out. I look crazy. I look crazy. My friends better show up soon or they're gonna be going out by themselves. I'm gonna lay my ass back down and finish my J-Lo movie. Obviously tonight is not my night. We're gonna use this Covergirl Concealer. It's not my favorite. Hopefully somebody has eye drops. I don't know why I'm so bloodshot like this. Oh, I was crying. I was crying from the movie. I laid down to watch the movie and oh. I'm just gonna set it and bronze my face and put some fucking highlighter on and call it a night because... And lipstick and... We out this bitch. Oh, wait, I gotta put some shadow under my eyes. I'm debating if I wanna put the green, you know what? Let's just go for the pink. Fuck it. That was the original plan, and that's what's gonna happen. God help me. I hope this looks better with some fucking, like, bronzer. I feel like now that I have all these colors in my eyes, I look crazy. Why did I put pink there? Let me see. I'm on the blush. Maybe I should go pink to, like, carry the pink from here, from my eyes, onto my cheeks. I look like a clown. Alright. It smells so good. I want to eat it. I should have gotten something chocolate while I was out. I should have ordered dessert at my place, but I've been really good lately. This is a CoverGirl Melting Pout Matte. What is this color? Current Nude. You guys, it smells amazing. Oh my god. Do I look crazy? I still look crazy. Look at me.
No, it looks cute.
It does not. It looks crazy. Oh, I'm too drunk to take it off. This has to be it.
Just fine. You look cute. You look really cute.
I feel like...
love your White House.
Alright, well, the friends say it's okay. It's not. It's totally not okay for me. Since I'm already on, like, this CoverGirl kick, I guess I'll use some more of my CoverGirl products. Because I'm actually really feeling their highlight. It's like a cream, which I usually wouldn't put over a powder, but it's bomb over the powder. We're just gonna keep it probably there today. I gotta change my battery, it's about to die. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna wear first though, and then I'll come back. So this is the outfit that I picked out. I'm not quite sure how I feel about it, but I just have on like black pants. And then I got this bra from Victoria's Secret. It's really cute. It's like a full, I got it on their sale. It was only $25. And then my pants, look at how cute they are. They're like these booty lifting pants. They have a bunch of them down here at like the Ross and Marshalls and stuff. So I like to get them because I like how they make my butt look. Yeah, so I gotta figure out what shoes to wear. I'm like actually not even drunk anymore. I drank that like whole bottle of wine. And now I'm kind of like whatever because it's been so long. I kind of don't even feel like going out, but my friends are on their way over, so I do think I need a little more highlight though. I'm so extra with the highlight. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys subscribe. Let me know what look or hacks you want to see next. So comment down below and chat with me. Please don't make fun of my crazy clown drunk makeup and then I'm going out like this, but it's gonna be dark, so hopefully nobody will notice too much. And I wish you could be here drinking with me. I really do. I could have used a drinking buddy. Like, where are my friends when I need them? Bitches. And yeah, that's it for this video, and I hope to see you next time.